So today is the day. Today I bought a new iPhone. This is probably my first big girl purchase that I've made. My phone camera has been broken for a while and social media is my job now, so I really wanted to make my first big girl purchase, and today I did that. I bought a new iPhone, the iPhone 15 Plus, and I bought it in pink, and we're gonna do an unboxing. And I also ordered my case as well, so I'm gonna show you guys everything now. It is the cute little Apple bag and it is the Christmas one with the present. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. Woo! The way there's actually like iPhone written in pink, I'm in love. I've known I've wanted to buy this phone a good couple months now. I did actually make my phone case order a little while back during Black Friday when there was like sales on and stuff. As I was buying my first phone, I wanted to go a little bit extra with the phone case. So I ordered one from Wildflower, and this is the limited edition Wildflower phone case, ballerina one. And as you guys can see, it is so cute. This is in fact the Ballet Core Pinterest phone case that has been everywhere. And I'm so excited that I got my hands on one for my phone. Screen protector, because I really do not want to smash my phone screen. That would be tragic. It is just in time for 2024, so this is the perfect way to start the year. We're gonna do an iPhone 15 Plus unboxing, and then later in this video we're gonna do a what's on my iPhone. That was really satisfying. Can I open it? Okay, we're gonna take the front off. I got my screen protector from Wildflower, so we're gonna open this up now and just pop this on my phone. I have just put on the screen protector on my phone. That was actually a really smooth application. This is what the phone case looks like. I will have this phone case linked down below for you guys. I love the ballerina aesthetic. I think Wildflower phone cases in general are so pretty. Definitely buying more phone cases from Wildflower. I know this video is probably gonna be like a montage of me saying I am so excited. Like, how many times have I said excited now? I'm very excited. Okay. I've just finished setting up my phone and now it says welcome to iPhone. I am now gonna download all my apps. I know this is gonna take me a while, so I will see you guys in the next portion of this video where I do a what's on my iPhone. It has been 2 weeks since I last filmed for this video, but now it is that portion of this video and we're gonna do a what is on my iPhone. I've got all my apps on my phone now and I'm really happy with using my phone. I wanted to leave a little bit of a gap in this video to kind of give you guys really an honest review on how my new phone has been, what I've liked, what I haven't liked. There's been nothing that I don't like. I love everything about it. One thing I've just got to say off the bat is that this camera on this iPhone is incredible. Like, I literally did my makeup on the plane with my phone. I could see everything. Like, it is flawless. My lock screen is my 2024 vision board. The first thing I see on my phone is my vision board, so I really wanted to pop that on there. On my home screen is all the basic apps. I have FaceTime, calendar, photos, camera, mail, notes, reminders, clock, app store, maps, health, wallet, settings, weather, contacts. Calendar I do use, honestly, quite a surprising amount. Like, every time I have a specific date or something like that I need to remember, always pop it in my calendar habit at this point, and it just reminds me on the day. So I actually do use calendar a fair bit. Photos and camera probably have to be the most important apps on my phone. I don't really use mail that much. I use Gmail. Notes I use daily. Clock for like my alarms and stuff. Wallet, banking, all that kind of stuff is obviously for my banking. Flow is to track my period. If it's that time of the month, I do use the app. It's really good, so accurate. I know so many people that have used it and use it. On the bottom I have phone, Safari, iMessage, Apple Music. I use them quite a bit. Apple Music I don't use because I do use like a mix of Spotify and YouTube Music. Scrolling over, I have all my social media: Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, YouTube Studio, YouTube Music, Spotify, Gmail, Canva, PixArt, Visco, and Fonto. So Instagram, it is Sienna Summers 22. You guys should definitely go follow it if you're not already. I'm really active on Reels as well at the moment, so I post daily on TikTok. I'm super obsessed with this. Pinterest, I love Pinterest. The combination of like putting on nice music and just vibing on here is such a vibe. If you're a content creator, YouTube Studio is honestly crucial if you have a YouTube channel because you can really see your stats, your analytics, all that kind of stuff. Spotify, YouTube Music for music. Gmail is like my source of emails and that's how I receive and send emails. Canva, Pixar, VSCO and Fronto I use for my thumbnails, I use for Instagram, and then below I decided just to make these little sections. I don't really know, I've never done this before on my phone. Just kind of made it easier. So shopping, I have Shop to track my deliveries, I have Temu, I have Shein, Lush, Takeaway, I have Starbucks of course, Foodie, Waltz, and then for travel I've got Uber, Bolt, Airbnb and Booking.com. Pretty much a bit of a basic girly. I think I haven't really added any widgets this time around just because I haven't really gotten into customizing my phone yet. I prefer basic little setup. My background is baby pink, which you guys know I'm obsessed with. But yeah, that is basically everything that is on my iPhone. I am super obsessed with the iPhone 15 Plus. I think it is worth every penny and I love the color. I have not gotten sick of it. I am truly just obsessed with it. The storage on this, the film quality, everything about this iPhone is honestly impeccable. I really hope you guys have all enjoyed watching today's video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day, amazing rest of your week.